Today we got a video from Bodycam K9 and the title of the video is Karen breaks in and stabs her ex-boyfriend.
Well, we're going to handcuff you.
No, thank you. I would prefer not to be.
On May 14th, 2025, officers responded to a domestic stabbing incident, leaving someone to visit the hospital. The suspect had fled, and police visited her a week later at her home in the middle of a hair appointment.
Hi.
Hey, oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. He's super friendly. Sorry about that.
Hey, do you mind? Could we get the dog back inside?
Sure, Chewy, come here. I have a client downstairs right now. I was about to wash her out. I literally just started pulling all of her foils out. Her hair's gonna break off. She's got like bleach and shit in there.
Okay. Do you mind if we?
I'm so sorry. Can I have a break like later or tomorrow?
We'll talk to you. Well, how long is it going to take?
I literally just listened to your voicemail like right before I started.
How long is this going to take?
I'm assuming this is why.
Yeah.
The person that called me.
Yeah, we want to work.
Okay.
We want to work with you, but we want to make sure though that is this your house? I'm assuming.
Yeah. I live here. Yeah.
Could we get the dog inside?
Chewy, come here, Chewy.
How long is this going to take for her to be done?
I have somebody at 12:30, so I won't. I mean, I'm booked all day. I'm sorry.
Okay. I'm just talking about for her.
She will probably be like another 30 minutes. Well, 30 minutes because I have 12:30.
Like I said, we want to work with you, but we got to bring you back to the station, the Arlington Heights Police Station. So we're going to place you under arrest right now. So you're under arrest. Yeah.
Wait,
we got to put you under arrest.
Wait, no, I have my client's hair is literally going to fall out. Can you please come inside? No, my client's hair has foils in it. I'm so sorry, but like it's literally going to break off.
Well,
can you come? No.
You're under arrest.
No. Please, sir. You do not understand. Her hair will fall out from the root. Please.
Okay. We're gonna make sure we'll be all right. You said we can.
And why? I'm very confused on why you're arresting me.
Listen, you said we could come in, right?
Yes, please come in.
Okay.
Yes, but
so we'll come in. You can finish the treatment, whatever it might be. I don't want her hair to fall.
Bleach. It's bleach.
Okay. We don't want it to fall out. But listen. You're gonna come with us afterward because you got to come back to the island. You're under arrest. Okay?
But what? Can I please?
You understand what I'm saying? Okay.
Sir, yes, I thought.
She listening, but she ain't understanding though. She's listening, but she's not comprehending what's going on.
We're going to talk about what happened the other day. So,
but I can come down to the station without there being any issue. This is also the first time I have talked to you guys. I tried to contact you. That nobody called me back in Arlington like in the afternoon.
Okay, now. Again,
So I'm sorry. Can I please?
Listen.
Her timer was up like over 5 minutes ago.
Just calm down.
I'm freaking out about my client's hair.
Can we come down with you?
Sure.
Okay. Sorry to scare you. We just got a mishap. We got to figure out.
We got to straighten.
They're arresting me after you leave, apparently.
We don't want your hair falling out.
They appreciate
It's kind of a unique situation.
I'm freaking out.
That's a unique situation for us, so we just want to make sure.
I'm just having a really hard time understanding like why this is such an extreme.
Well, like I said, we'll explain. We don't want to talk to you right here, and then obviously in front of your client. Private matter, so we will. We want to.
So private, then why didn't you?
We want to be.
Why didn't you talk to me about this? That nobody's even tried to contact me before that, and I have tried to contact you guys.
She would piss me off, man. Honestly, I would just tell her to wash out whatever is in her hair and let's go. Cause she's pissing me off with all the talk back.
It's okay. I'm sorry. Thank you for letting me do this. I shouldn't be. I'm very happy.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
We're making a.
You're doing a huge thing for me, so thank you. I'm sorry. I have a lot of anxiety and I'm very emotional. So
get it together.
This is good for me. I'm like,
get it together. Just do the hair.
Focus on what you got to focus on.
I just want you guys to call my clients and since you're standing there, kind of make the light. I don't like awkward silences. I'm sorry. I have to.
Kylie, we're like I said, we're going to be respectful. You seem like a nice lady. We'll let you call your clients, and we're not gonna hang you out to dry.
My mind is racing right now.
No, you tell them whatever you want. That you witnessed a car crash or something, and
I mean, I'm gonna tell them that I'm not.
It's up to you. We're not gonna.
I don't need to say anything.
We're not. Yeah, we're not.
Say you need to reschedule.
Yeah.
Sorry.
something emergent came up. It's not a big deal. We're not trying to make it a big deal, Kylie. Like I said, we're trying to be as polite as we possibly can.
It's just like I could have gone down there without any. Hey, no, they're downstairs with me right now. They're letting me wash out my foil, and then they're taking me to Arlington Heights or
Arlington Heights, yeah.
Arlington Heights. Do you guys? I'm just curious. Do you guys check up with Rolling Meadows Police Department before, like, to follow up with cases? I'm just curious.
We can. It just depends, yeah.
Okay. Even I like skin shampoo to make me get faster. I'm so sorry. I'm just trying to find my planner because I don't even know. Now I'm like.
Is it right there?
No, I know I have like there's shit everywhere.
No, we gotta go.
Oh, it's not. It's a paper. Did you guys have a good Easter? Oh,
We did.
Sorry. You can. Yeah. Anyway, it's fine. I have a family emergency. I'm really sorry. Yeah. I hopefully I should be. Yeah. Can I text you later and reschedule? I'm so sorry. I'm just really shook it up. Okay, thank you so much. All right, bye. Am I gonna be there all night?
I don't know.
Cause I just don't know if I should. Can't like I.
If it drags out, we'll give you a chance to call people.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying like, am I gonna be there till 5:30?
We don't know. It just depends on what the state's attorney's.
Come on, use your brain. Cancel everything for today and schedule it another day. Can you use your brain for a second? Does it make sense? Who knows? You might be down there for an hour. You might be down there for the rest of the night. Even if you are back, let's say it takes 2 hours and you're back. Why would you want to, be in a rush thinking about your clients today? Like, cancel everything for the day and that's it. You can schedule at a later date. Fuck, man. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure that out.
Officer.
So we have to go back. We just have to talk about what happened. We'll figure it out. Do you want to take a picture with your phone?
I know who's coming, but
Okay.
I just.
Yeah, take a picture with your phone. Again, I don't want you to miss out on work opportunities.
Okay.
So go ahead and take a picture because you'll be able to bring your phone with you, and we're not gonna.
Okay.
Like I said, we're gonna be as respectful and as nice
It is
with
an
you.
inconvenience. We want it to be as minor of an inconvenience. In fact, if you even want to take your planner with you.
No, it's okay. Thank you. I appreciate that though. Thank you for considering that. Hey, I'm washing my client out right now. The cops are watching me wash my client out. Am I allowed to go to the bathroom before we go? I just get. I don't know. You guys get anxious?
We're only about 5 minutes away from.
Okay,
the
so I
police
can go to the bathroom there?
Yeah, at the police station. Yeah.
Okay. Am I?
No.
Okay. So, like, if I request to not be handcuffed because I can walk out here amicably with you guys, because if you just called me and I can meet you at the police station, I could have came in and talked to you guys. I just don't think that there needs to be
Kylie,
this extreme level. I can walk out with you guys amicably.
we're gonna handcuff you.
No, thank you. I would prefer not to be.
I'm not gonna argue with you in front of one of your customers. Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. Talk
No,
is, or is
thank
it
you.
more going to be like, are we going to actually communicate, or?
We're gonna communicate.
Okay.
So again, let's just hang out. We'll let your customer leave.
Is it okay that I'm still like responding to people?
That's
Is it
fine.
okay?
That's fine.
Let me handcuff you in front.
Okay.
You're not going anywhere. You've been honest with us. You let us in here. We let you finish. How about we do that? Is it okay? We'll do it right when we get to the car. Nobody will see anything.
Okay.
Is that okay? Okay.
Yeah, it's more. Yeah, but
I know.
Like,
Yeah,
And take a deep breath.
we're not trying to embarrass you.
I just like, it's just like, because I've never done this before. Like,
What, stab someone? What, she never did that before? Is that what we're talking about? Fuck, she's so annoying to me.
do I like, from like TV shows and movies and shit. They say that like every time they get arrested, they're like, I'm not saying anything until I get my lawyer.
We'll talk back. We'll talk back to the police station. We're not going to ask you questions or anything until we read you your rights. We'll talk at the police station.
We're not going to violate your rights. We're not going to try to trick you, anything like that. This is how we're going to be.
I do feel tricked right now. Like I have to say that because I don't think that this was like a fair notice. Like I didn't even know that this was happening, and it's.
We'll give you your opportunity to explain things, okay?
Okay, but I don't even want to because I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Like I've never.
Well, we'll go back and we'll talk.
This isn't the time or place to hash all that out.
Okay,
So you got your phone with you?
Yes. I'm gonna just like turn things off. I don't know if we want to like go in line. I'm sorry that this is like such a mess down here. An emotional week. Choo choo, come on, buddy. Should I like bring?
You bring your phone.
Can I leave like my car keys out and just so my friend is coming to pick up my dog is gonna like make sure he has like a house key and stuff?
Yeah, good to go. We gotta look in with you just to make sure.
That's okay. No problem. No problem. I'm trying to think of where my keys are without me like having to like dig through everything. Okay, I had a coat yesterday. I think it's over there. I'm sorry. Okay, it's okay. Well, you guys stay here. Yes, and Dad's gonna come pick you up. Yeah. Would you mind just like running in and like shutting my turn that light off in my basement and then shut the door just so he doesn't go down there and get stuck or something? Yeah, when I listened to your voicemail, that's when I came outside, and I actually wasn't sure if it was my neighbor's trying to.
Well, I've never seen a place like this, so we were curious on like what your actual front door was.
So that technically is the front door.
Gotcha.
And it's what did you ever like come in?
Just gotta handcuff you real quick.
Sure. I don't really care if anything is wrong. Okay. Oh. Cool. It didn't.
Kylie was charged with aggravated battery with use of a deadly weapon, as well as home invasion causing injury. Share your thoughts below.
Scumbag of a human being, man. I ain't gonna lie. She's so entitled, man. So like, it's just. She doesn't even understand when officers is doing you a solid and you're like, you keep pushing the envelope. This is why it's like, just know. Like, honestly, if I was a cop, I would have said, wash the stuff out of your client's hair. And that's it. They were really nice. But it's like you keep going on and asking for this and asking for this and gotta look for this. And I'm not getting cuffed in the front. I don't want to get cuffed. Like, Like, it's just so much going on that you're pissing me off. Really. Because I don't have to be that nice to you. You stabbed someone. What part don't you understand? Man, she's pissing me off. Like, just watching it was just like, shout out to them cops, man, because they're some good guys. They're nice. They're real nice. Much more nice than I would have been. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.